Hello everyone! How easy is to upgrade an existing passive loudspeaker to an IP fully featured speaker? Well, it's super easy using IP-Former from Barrix. IP-Former is made to replace a 70 or 100 volt audio transformer typically present on this kind of speakers. Remove the two screws holding the transformer in place. Strip the wires of the loudspeaker and mount the screw terminal connector that is shipped with the IP-Former. Mount the connector and then, using the same screws that you used to remove the transformer, you can mount the IP-Former in place. It is possible to mount the IP-Former in vertical or horizontal layout. IP-Former is a PoE device, and it gets power as soon as it is plugged into a PoE switch, announcing its IP address.
192.168.3.42.
And if a music source is configured in the software, it will start to play music. Barrix Radio is freely available in one of the sources pre-configured. Feel free to try it out. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.